Let's look at differentiating using logarithmic differentiation. Okay, very interesting method. So let's do it. Y is equal to 5x to the power of x to the power of 5. Now to do this, what we'll do is we will keep 5 separate. Now x to the power of x to the power of 5, let's take it to the power of e. But then I have to take it e to the power of on both the sides for all the terms, right? So I don't want to do that. So what I'll do is I will have to make sure that it gets cancelled. So I'll put a ln. So e and ln are inverses, so we can cancel it off. Okay, and I'll write it as x to the power of x to the power of 5. So this and this, they both are the same. Okay, now using the rules of algorithm, we can write it as x to the power of 5 ln x. And now we can do differentiation. So dy by dx is equal to 5, leave it as it is. First e. So e remains as it is, e to the power of x to the power of 5 ln x. And now we have to differentiate the exponent. So that we can apply the product rule. So x to the power of 5 times 1 by x plus 5x of 4 ln x. Okay. Now, if you notice this entire thing is nothing but y. This is this, and this basically we transformed it into a different way of writing fx to the power of x to the power of 5. So instead of every time writing this, we can write it as y itself. Okay, x cancellations. So x to the power of 4 plus 5x4 ln x. Okay, and here there is a x common, x to the power of 4 is common. So x to the power of 4 y times 1 plus 5 natural log of x. So that is the derivative. Okay, let's look at the second one. Second one is y is equal to x to the power of x to the power of 3. This can be written as e to the power of ln of x to the power of x to the power, no, just x to the x to the power of x to the power of 3. Okay, now this can be written as e to the power of x cube ln x, and now we can differentiate this. So since it is e, first will be the expression itself, e to the power of x to the power of 3 ln x, and now we have to differentiate the exponent. So 3x square natural log of x plus x cube times 1 by x. This is nothing but y. So y times 3x square natural log of x plus x square. And x square is common, so x square y times 3 natural log of x plus 1. So that is the derivative. Third one is y is equal to 5x to the power of 3x. This can be written as 5 times e to the power of ln of x to the power of 3x, which means we can write this as e to the power of 3x ln x. So dy by dx is equal to e to the power of 3x natural log of x. This entire thing is nothing but y. So instead of writing 5, we can just directly write y. We need to differentiate the exponent. So 3 natural log of x plus 3x times 1 by x, which is equal to y times x, and x gets cancelled. 3 is common, so we have natural log of x plus 1. Okay, fourth one, y is equal to 2x to the power of x to the power of 5, which can be written as 2e to the power of ln of x to the power of x to the power of 5, which in turn can be written as e to the power of x to the power of 5 ln of x. And now dy by dx. 2 as it is and e to the power of, so first when we differentiate it, the e term automatically comes as it is. So this comes. And then now we have to differentiate the exponent. 5x4 natural log of x plus x to the power of 5 and 1 by x. So 1x will cancel and we have, this is nothing but y, and we have 5x4 natural log of x plus x to the power of 4. Now x to the power of 4 is common, so we can write it as x to the power of 4 y times 5 natural log of x plus 1. Let's look at fifth one. Y is equal to 2x to the power of 4 plus 3 cube. Now remember this, we can do it without using logarithmic method, right? We can say dy by dx is equal to 3 2x4 plus 3 square times 8x cube, which gives us 24x cube times 2x4 plus 3 square. Okay, we can do this. But remember, this is the simplest one. As it becomes more and more complicated, logarithmic method simplifies the whole. Now here, again, we follow the same method. E to the power of ln of 2x4 plus 3 to the power of 3, which can be written as e to the power of 3 ln 2x4 plus 3. And now we write dy by dx. So y, this term automatically comes as it is, and that is nothing but y. And now we have to differentiate the exponent. So this gives us 3 times 1 by 2x4 plus 3 times 8x cube. So what do we get? We get 24x cube y divided by 2x4 plus. Now you might think that there is different answers are coming, but remember, we can always simplify this. Y is nothing but 2x4 plus 3 to the power of 3 divided by 2x4 plus 3. Okay, so here what happens, this and this gets cancelled. So what do we have? 24x cube 2x4 plus 3 square, only one of it gets cancelled. So this is the derivative. Okay, sixth one, y is equal to 3x plus 1 to the power of 4. Now let's try to avoid writing the steps and see whether we can do it. Dy by dx is equal to, now y comes as it is, we have seen that till now, and now we have to differentiate this part. This would be actually 4 natural log of 3x plus 1. So 4 1 by 3x plus 1 times 3, so which is equal to 12y by 3x plus 1. See, it was so fast. Okay, let's look at the seventh one. Y is equal to square root of x square minus 2, which can be written as x square minus 2 to the power of 1 by 2. And again, dy by dx, logarithmic method if we follow, we can directly write it as y times, and now we have to differentiate this. So 1 by 2 times x square minus 2 to the power of minus half times 2x, which is equal to y times uh, 2x by x square minus 2, 1 by 2. And here we also have a 2. So this 2 and this 2 cancels, and we are left with y times x by square root of x square minus 2. Okay, you can do the substitution of y and do it in the traditional way. You will get the same. Okay, eighth one, y is equal to 2x cube plus 5 to the power of 3. Again, dy by dx is equal to y as it is, and now 3 natural log of 2x cube plus 5. So 3, 1 by 2x cube plus 5 times 6x square, which is equal to y times 6 3 is 18x square by 2x cube plus 5. Okay, ninth one. Now let's go a little bit more complicated. So y is equal to cube root of 3x to the power of 5 plus 2 by 2x4 plus 3 cube. Okay, now this looks a little bit complicated, so let me just take it step by step. E to the power of natural log of 3x5 plus 2 to the power of 1 by 3 divided by 2x4 plus 3 cube. That's what it comes to. And we know that as per logarithm rules, we can write this as natural log of 3x5 plus 2 to the power of 1 by 3 divided by natural log of 2x4 plus 3 cube. This in turn can be written as natural log of 1 by 3 natural log of 3x5 plus 2 minus, because of the division, 3 natural log of 2x4 plus 3. Okay, so this is combined in. So now when we do dy by dx, this term automatically comes, so y, and now we have to do the exponent. So that would be what? 1 by 3 natural logs is 1 by 3x5 plus 2, and then we have to do 15x4 minus 3 times 1 by 2x4 plus 3 times 8x cube, which gives us y times 3 5s. So 5x4 by 3x to the power of 5 plus 2 minus 3 8's 24, 24x cube by 2x4 plus 3. So that's the derivative. Similar problem, but again now we will try to skip the steps. So y is equal to square root of 3x square minus 5 by x to the power of 5 plus 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so dy by dx would be y as it is. And remember, there is a division, so there will be two natural logs with a subtraction. So this would be 1 by 2 times 1 by 3x square minus 5 times 6x minus, then we have 4 natural log of x to the power of 5 plus 2. So 4 times 1 by x to the power of 5 plus 2 times 5x of 4, which is equal to 2 3's. That's all. So y times 3x by 3x square minus 5 minus 20x4 by x to the power of 5 plus 2. Okay, 11th one. Y is equal to x square minus 2 to the power of 1 by 3 divided by 5x5 plus 4 to the power of 4. dy by dx is equal to y as it is, and then 1 by 3 natural log of x square minus 2. So when we differentiate it, we get 1 by 3 times natural log of x square minus 2. So that is 1 by x square minus 1 times 2x minus, because of the division, 4 times 1 by 5x to the power of 5 plus 4 times 25x of 4, which gives us y 2x by 3x square minus 2 minus 25 fourths is 100x to the power of 4 by 5x to the power of 5 plus 4. This is the derivative. Okay, that was 11th. Now do the 12th one. Y is equal to x plus 2 square cube root of 4x to the power of 5 plus 1. This can be written as x plus 2 square times 4x to the power of 5 plus 1 to the power of 1 by 3. Right? So dy by dx would be y as it is. So we have 2 natural log of x plus 2. So which means 1 by x plus 2 times 1 plus 1 by 3 times 1 by 4x to the power of 5 plus 1 times 5 fours 20 x to the power of 4, which gives us y times 2 by x plus 2 plus 20 x to the power of 4 by 3 to the times 4x5 plus 1. 13th one, a little bit more complicated. So x square plus 2 cube y is equal divided by 4x cube minus 1 times 4, and here we have square 4x to the power of 5 plus 5 to the power of 4. So you can imagine if we use the quotient rule, there'd be a lot more algebra that we will have to do. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to, remember this will be e to the power of ln of this entire thing. So which means this will become 3 ln x square plus 2 minus this plus this, right? So try to map it in your mind. So this would be 3 times 1 by x square plus 2 times 2x. And then there will be a minus sign because of this division. And now this one. So this will be 2 ln 4x cube minus 1. So 2 times 1 by 4x cube minus 1 times 12x square. Now here it is a product, so plus. Again 4 times 1 by 4x5 plus 5 times 20x of 4. Now let's simplify this. We get 6x by x square plus 2 minus 12 to 24 x square by 4x cube minus 1 minus into plus minus, and we have 80x4 by 4x to the power of 5 plus 5. We can leave it at this place. So this is the derivative. Let's look at the 13th one. Now here we have y is equal to x square plus 2 cube divided by 4x cube minus 1 square times 4x5 plus 5 to the power of 4. Okay, so dy by dx. Remember y as it is comes e to the power of ln of this. So now ln of this entire thing would be equal to ln of this minus ln of this plus this, right? So keep that in mind. So let's do the numerator. So that comes to 3 times 1 by x square plus 2 times 2x. Then we have minus because of this division. Ln of 4x cube minus 1 square. So which means we get 2 times 1 by 4x cube minus 1 times 12x square. and there is a minus going to be there because of the division, and here it will be a plus when we do it. So that minus into plus will become minus, and this will be 4 1 by 4x of 5 plus 5 times 20x to the power of 4. So now let's simplify this. Y times 6x by x square plus 2 minus 12 to 24 x square by 4x cube minus 1 minus 80x4 by 4x5 plus, that is the derivative. So y is equal to 5x square minus 1 to the power of 5 times 2x4 plus 1 square divided by x square plus 1 to the power of, okay, dy by dx is equal to y as it is, then natural log of this plus natural log of this minus natural log of this. That's what it will come to. So let's take it one by one. So we have 5 times 1 by 5x square minus 1 times 10x plus 2 times 1 by 2x4 plus 1 times 8x, and now we will have a subtraction minus 4 times 1 by x square plus 1 times 2x. So which gives us y times 5 times 10 is 50x by 5x square minus 1 plus 16x by 2x4 plus 1 minus 8x by x square plus 1. So that is the derivative. If you want, you can take out commonalities out. Okay, 15th one. Y is equal to x square plus 1 square divided by 2x plus 3 to the power of 5 times x to the power of 4 minus 5 to the power of 4. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to y as it is, and now the natural log of this entire thing, which means natural log of this minus, within brackets, natural log of this plus natural log of this. So that's how the flow will go. So let's do this. 2 times 1 by x square plus 1 times 2x minus, here it will be 5 times 1 by 2x plus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 1 by x to the power of 4 minus 5 times 4x cube, which gives us y times 4x by x square plus 1 minus 10 by 2x plus 3 minus 16x cube by x to the power of 4 minus 5. Okay, 16th one. Y is equal to 3x to the power of 5 plus 4 to the power of 4 times x plus 5 to the power of 3 x to the power of 4 plus 1 square. Right? Now, dy by dx, y as it is, natural log of this means natural log of this plus natural log of this plus natural log of this, right? So it becomes pretty straightforward. 4 times 1 by 3x5 plus 4 times 15x4 plus 3 times 1 by x plus 5 times 1 plus 2 times 1 by x to the power of 4 plus times 4x cube. So which gives us y times 15 4 60 x to the power of 4 by 3x5 plus 4 plus 3 by x plus 5 plus 4 twos 8 x cube by x to the power of 4 plus 1. Okay, 17th one. Y is equal to x to the power of 5 plus 2 to the power of 4 3x minus 5 to the power of 5 times 5x5 plus 1 to the power of 2, and the whole thing divided by 2x cube plus 1 to the power of 3. Okay, so dy by dx would be y times natural of log of this plus natural log of this plus natural log of this minus natural log. Okay, so let's see. 4 by x to the power of 5 plus 2 times 5x of 4 plus 5 times, okay, 5 by 3x minus 5 times 3 plus 2 times 1 by 5x5 plus 1 times 25x4 minus 3 times 1 by 2x cube plus 1 times 6x square, which gives us 20x4 by x to the power of 5 plus 2 plus 15 by 3x minus 5 plus 50x to the power of 4 by 5x5 plus 1 minus 18x square by 2x cube plus 1. And 18th one, y is equal to 3x square plus 2 square times 5x square plus 4 to the power of 4 divided by 4x4 plus 5 to the power of 5 times 3x plus 2 to the power of 3. So what this boils down to is natural log of this plus natural log of this minus natural log of this minus natural. Dy by dx is equal to y as it is 2 times 1 by 3x square plus 2 times 6x plus 4 times 1 by 5x square plus 4 times 10x minus 5 times 1 by 4x4 plus 5 times 16x cube minus 3 times 1 by 3x plus 2 times 3. So when we simplify this, we get y times 6 to 12x by 3x square plus 2 plus 40x by 5x square plus 4 minus 80x cube by 4x4 plus 5 minus 9 by 3x plus 2. So that is the derived. That's it. Bye.